guys, I'm Reyhane. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful bow. You can use it for design most of the things, and this is so easy. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful bow. But for this tutorial we need this size of hook. The size is 1.75 and this kind of yarn. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful bow. For the first round I make magic ring. So I put the yarn between my finger like this, and then put the hook here under this part and above this part, and yarn over, and then yarn over of this part and this part. And now we have the very beautiful magic ring. We can change the size of this ring, as you can see. Then we need 6 single crochet here into this magic ring. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I change the size of this ring like this, and then put the hook in the first stitch, exactly this one, yarn over, and now we have this pattern. Then I crochet 1 chain and put the hook in the first stitch and yarn over and make 1 single crochet, and again put the hook in the first stitch in the same space and yarn over and make another single crochet like this one. And then we need 8 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I put the hook in the next stitch, exactly here. Put the hook here and make 1 slip stitch, and then again put the hook in this part and make 2 single crochet in this stitch. Then go to the next stitch here, and here we need 2 single crochet again. So this is 1, and again here this is 2. Again go to the next stitch, exactly this one, and make 2 single crochet. So this is 1, and again here this is 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 single crochet here, as you can see. Then again we need 8 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then put the hook in the next stitch in this part and make slip stitch, and then here again in this part make 2 single crochet together. So this is 1, and again here this is 2, and go to the next stitch and make 2 single crochet together again. So this is 1, and again here this is 2. Then again put the hook in the next stitch and make 2 single crochet together. And now when we arrive here, make 1 slip stitch in this part and then go to this hole, and in this part here we need 15 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, until you have 15 double crochet here. Now I have 15 double crochet here. Then I put the hook, I skip this one, and I put the hook here in the second stitch and make 1 slip stitch, and then make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then put the hook in 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and make 1 double crochet here, like this. Again, put the hook in the next stitch, exactly this one, and make another double crochet, and again here another double crochet, and repeat, and again repeat. Now we have 2 chains here, so put the hook in this one and make 1 half double crochet, and again put the hook in this one and make another half double crochet. Then put the hook in the next stitch and make 1 slip stitch, like this. Then again put the hook here in the next stitch and make another slip stitch and 10 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And again put the hook here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and like this part, you make this part too. When you complete this part, again put the hook in the next stitch and make 1 slip stitch, and then put the hook here in this part and make 15 double crochet into this big ring. 2, 3, 4. So continue this until you have 15 double crochet here. Now I have 15 double crochet here. Then I put the hook, I skip this stitch and put the hook here and make 1 slip stitch and then 1 chain. Now I cut the yarn, and then I use this needle. So I put this yarn here, this needle here, and try to hide this extra yarn between this stitch. You can do this too, it is very important. Then again I use the needle for hide this extra yarn. So like before, I put the needle in between this stitch and try to hide this extra yarn and fix it here, and then I cut this extra yarn. Now this is finished, and I use these kind of things for design. You can put it and use glue to fix it. I make it in different color, as you can see. This is so good for design most of your things, for example your clothes, your coats, or everything. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.